love Fifi. But I can't leave my garden for a whole day. Of course you can. Well, and I will look after your garden for you. And there's a lot to do. Such as, I was going to put a net over my potatoes to keep the bugs off, water my carrot patch, and take some radishes and tomatoes to Flower Top Market. Well, off you go. We'll be the Flower Top gardeners for the day. I'd call that a Flower Top deal.
What have you got in your basket, Fifi?
Radishes and raisins for my... fiddly flower petals. I've forgotten the word. It's something you eat outdoors. A cucumber? No, you eat it in the sunshine.
Strawberries and cream.
No. You can carry it in a basket to the place where you're going to eat. Do you know? A picnic! Oh, of course! Thank you.